Today we are working on toaster. It's one and it's not. It wasn't staying down. I already fixed it, so I thought to help other people because I couldn't find the right video, so I can sort out the problem. So I struggled with maybe few things, and then it wasn't working still. But then in the end, I found the right problem. So I thought it's very easy to fix. But only attempt to do this if you are familiar with the electricity because it's dangerous. So all you need to do is open from the screw, then to take this out you have to take this switch off as well, then take it out. And the main problem was these contact on this board. There's two board. One board I opened it, it was connected here, so I opened it to see while it's open to work. Without this connecting it won't work, and it was very awkward too. So you have to take this board out to see how it function and what's happening. So when I was pressing this magnetic connect with each other, and it wasn't staying down, then I thought what's the problem. I thought, cleaned it everything with the toothbrush. I clean everything nice and clean, but still not working. But then in the end, this is the problem. These two connect this bit over here, that bit. When we press, that bit goes in between this and it's open, and these contact touch. When they touch it, that's how it works. And they wasn't touching, or maybe they were touching, but they were like gone black, with over the air using it. So I just clean these contact from this side, from that side, from this side, from that side, and maybe little spread them as well from here. I just twist it a little bit from the bottom, so when that part goes inside here, so it push and they connect with each other, and then it work. Now I will put it back and I will show you what I mean. Now it's fixed, but to show you what was happening, I'm not switching on from the back. Electric plug is in, but it's not switched on. So this is what was happening. When we press, if we keep it down, then it works, otherwise it goes up. So since I clean those contact and make them little spread from the bottom so they work. So now if we switch it on and press, it stays. So main problem was those connectors, those two connectors. So if you have that sort of problem, just you have to fix those. But to do that, you have to take this board out from here and connect it, see what's the problem, then hopefully this will be sorted out. I just fix it first and then made videos, so it might help someone, and this easy fix is not big deal. It's all connected and working. This button, everything works. So we switched off. It's all perfect.